Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banned account on the application of Remitly app. You will click on settings, you will go to settings here. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Remitly app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again, so please don't forget.